Hello beautiful people, what's up and welcome back to my channel. How are you guys doing? I hope you all are doing well. Happy New Year guys. Before we get started, have you subscribed? Please subscribe to my channel. Give this video a huge thumbs up and share with your friends and family. In our previous video, I showed you guys how I make mayonnaise with simple ingredients you can find in your kitchen. But in today's video, we are making ketchup. It is very quick and easy. In a pot, I have 7 medium-sized tomatoes, 3 scotch bonnet peppers, 2 chili pepper, garlic and ginger. After cooking for 2 to 3 minutes, I transferred it into a blender. I'll pour it into a sieve and sieve it out after blending. Now that I'm done sieving, I'm going to add other ingredients. Now I'm going to add half teaspoon of salt and 2.5 tablespoons of sugar.
But if there's nothing left to cry for, then I will just crack a smile.
I'm going to stir it together just so the salt and sugar dissolves very well. After stirring, I'm going to bring it to a boil on a medium heat. Now that I've brought it to a boil, I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of lemon juice for that sweet and sour taste. At this point, you have to be very patient. You just have to keep stirring and stirring it, because you don't want your ketchup to taste or smell burnt.
Time is standing still as I let go of your cold hand. Eyes are wet, but lips are dry.
Once it has thickened up and it's no longer running, put off the fire and allow it cool.
Just ignored it, I let go of your cold hand. I guess I saw it coming, yet it didn't.
Remember, I used ripe tomatoes, scotch bonnet and chili pepper for that redness. Can you see that guys? It is ready. Can you see the color? It is very red, as if I added food coloring. If you use ripe tomatoes, this is what you are going to get. Store it in an airtight container. It can last up to a month. Please give this video a huge thumbs up. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Turn on the bell beside the subscribe button so you get notified each time I upload a new video. Thank you all so much for watching. I love you all. Until I see you in my next video, stay blessed and bye-bye.